Okay, 2007 Toyota RAV4 2.2 D4D diesel. I'm just going to be following the routine to reset. So you go to trip A, it must be on trip A. You hold it in, then you turn the key off. I'm still holding it in, and then you turn the key back on, and I think it has reset. Let's have a look. I'll check. Door open. Door open I can sort out. Okay, so it never worked for some reason unless we turn the key on. Let's just see. I'll try that again. It's on trip A now. Okay, that did it. That did it. You'll see it's cleared now. Okay, my fuel is a bit down, I understand that. Okay, we understand the low fuel, no problem. Trip A, reset button is the key to resetting that maintenance oil must be changed now logo that comes up. Have a great day. Enjoy your Toyota. This is Gavin Stone signing out.